How to create in-app purchase on Google Play and Apple Store. That user can buy non-consumable like remove ads, or consumable as gold or coins. Easy subscription. And how to switch current subscription to another subscription. You can use this for user to cancel subscription anytime he wants. How to restore purchase if user reinstall the app. Easy instruction as step 1, 2, 3. In just a few notes, and you can finish it in 1 or 2 minutes only. As you see, only in 3 simple notes, all done. First, we must add plugin Visual Scripting Plus into your project. Search for Visual Scripting Plus. If you don't have it yet, you can get it from link under video. Select all, then click Import. You will have this folder after. Let's open Visual Scripting Plus. Today we will learn how to use macro in app purchase. We have an instruction how to use here. First, we have to install plugin in-app purchase of Unity with version 4.10.0 or newer. Let's install it. Switch to Unity Registry. Search for in-app purchase. You will see it here. If it's an old version, not version 4.10.0 or newer, we can install the newer version from package name. Let's add the version you want to install here. It will ask you link the project from Unity website. You can create or link it here from project settings. Select the project you created. After linked it successfully, turn on it. If you see this red warning, just ignore it. It will affect nothing at all. Step 2. Let's unzip the macro file to get events to use. Unzip it right inside this location. We have everything we need now. Let's open Use in-app purchase to see how to use it. We have all steps how to use in-app purchase here. Even we can check if user is in a subscription, or get the date the subscription purchased or ended. Or we can restore all items that user purchased already in his account. We have detail of instruction. Step 1. Add prefab macro in-app purchase into hierarchy. It will help to run Unity game service automatically. Now let's add this prefab into our game screen. Step 2. Create our product ID add-on start. Don't worry about product ID from Google Play Store or Apple Store, because we will create them later to match with our product ID here. We have event to create product ID. Just copy to use it. Very simple. We need a visual scripting script. Let's create a new empty object. Name it main events or any names you like. Create new visual scripting script with any names you want. Paste the copied event here. We will create product ID add-on start. You can create it with any names you want to. Let's create item, remove ads. We need to select the product type. Consumable cannot be restored. It like purchase gold or coins items. Non-consumable can be restored, like remove ads. And subscription for the membership, pay per month or yearly. Select non-consumable type for our item remove ads. We have item to purchase some gold here. And 2 subscriptions, starter pack and VIP pack. We can create all these product ID, add-on start 2. Product ID, buy 50 gold. With type is consumable that will be not restored. And product, starter pack, for subscription. Product, VIP pack. User can choose one subscription to purchase. Then he can switch to another subscription anytime he want or cancel it. Step 3. Run initial in-app purchase after created all product IDs. Copy event initialize in-app purchasing. After initialized success or failed, these events will be triggered. I will copy all these events to use too. Added after creating product ID finished. Initialize in-app purchasing. If in-app purchase initialization finished, this will be triggered. Print out some message, if it is success. And some message, if it is failed. Press play to see how everything works. You can see, first, it will start Unity Gaming Services. Then it will run initialize in-app purchase. Message store is ready, to see it is success and ready. Let's create a text to tell the progress of the purchase. I created a Text Mesh Pro UI here. It will show everything of an app purchase, for us to debug it easier. I will add this text object into a variable, to get it anytime we want. Open our script. Let's update message store is ready to our text object. Create new trigger custom event to update our text. With one argument is the message. We will add the message we want to update to this argument here. And handle this custom event. Use set text to update the text. Input this is the Text Mesh Pro object, our text object. And add the message we want to show into. Then turn off this message after 5 seconds. We can show any message to the game screen now. If the initialize in-app purchase is failed, show message no internet. Try to run game again. When initialize in-app purchasing success, it will show store is ready. Open use in-app purchase script again. Step 4. When all preparation is finished, we can purchase product now. Let's copy this event to use. To purchase an in-app purchase product. We already have some buttons here. We will purchase remove ads with button remove ads first. Their buttons are just UI image objects. Open our main script again. To get button click event, use on pointer down. Paste the copied event here. Input this is name of button you want to detect with. Let's handle button remove odd first. If button remove odd is clicked, we will purchase item remove ads. Let's scroll it up to get remove odd product ID that we created and enter it into. Let's show some message that button is clicked and purchase is processing. Because sometime Apple Store takes 5 seconds to pop up paying window, so we need to show this text to tell user wait for it. After user login and enter password to pay the item. Uncompleted will be triggered after all. Let's show some message to tell that purchase is completed. If user cancelled or has some errors, event on failed will be triggered. Press play and try to purchase item remove ads. In-app purchase is ready. Click button remove ads. Item is purchased successfully. In Unity Editor, there is no paying window pop-up, just a message. But after published on phone, pay window will pop up and ask to confirm. With a simple event, you can purchase an in-app purchase now. I created an image odd here. After purchase is completed, let's destroy the odd object. Let's open our script. After purchase is completed, create a new trigger custom event. With name complete remove ads. Now destroy the odd object. This is the item that user can buy it, one time only. So create a saved variable to save this purchase. If user has paid item remove ads, variable no ads will be true. We need to add node save variables also, for it to work. If user click button remove ads again, let's tell that he purchased already. Press play to see the result. Click button remove ads. Purchase is succeed, and odd is destroyed. If user click button remove ads again, it will not let him do it. Now click on button buy gold to buy as many gold as you want. Open our main script. Let's copy button click event. And copy purchase product event too. Find product ID of item by gold. Then enter it into our event purchase product. Replace with button by gold. If button by gold is clicked, let's show message purchasing. If purchases succeed, show message item is purchased. If user canceled or has some errors, message purchase failed. Press play. Then click button by gold. Purchases succeed. Next step, let's add more gold to user. First, create a saved variable, name total gold, with type of integer. After purchase complete, create new custom event with name add 50 gold. User just bought 50 gold. Add 50 gold to his total gold. Then update the text of current gold. We have a text mesh pro UI with name current gold to show gold of user. Add current gold object to update the text. And number of current gold of user. It an integer type, but text is string type. We need to convert into string first. Button by gold is clicked, and after he finishes the payment, gold is added. By gold is a consumable product. It cannot be restored, so player can buy as many as he wants. To buy a subscription, we just do the same. Copy events of purchase product. Button by starter pack to buy subscription starter pack. After button is clicked, message purchasing will be showed. Scroll up, find product ID of starter pack. After user confirmed and finish payment, purchase will be completed. And purchase failed if user cancel. You can add more events here after purchase is succeed. But I will show the message only for testing. Do the same to buy subscription VIP pack. I create 2 subscriptions here that user can switch between them anytime. In the first month, user want to join starter pack only. But next month, he want to switch to VIP pack subscription. I will show you how it works. Press play to test it. Purchase subscription starter pack first. Now user joined in starter pack and will be charged $3 per month. After few days using, he want to switch to VIP pack, he will purchase it. Next month, he will be charged $9 because he joined VIP pack already. We cannot see all the process here, because we are in Unity Editor. Only a message that he switched to new subscription. You will see all process clearly on the real phone later in this video. I added one more button, Restore, to restore all purchases that user has bought in the game. Non-consumable like remove ads and subscription can be restored only. To restore, open Use in-app purchase script again. Let's use this event to restore purchased items. Copy it. Open our main events. I created click event for button restore at the end already. Paste copied event here. This event will check if the product ID has been purchased by user or not. If he purchased this product already, the receipt will be saved to his account. When he deletes the game and install again from another device, they still see the receipt in his account and restore that product he purchased. Let's test it with a non-consumable remove ads. It will return true if user purchased it. Show a message restoring. If he purchased this product already in the past, it will trigger true. Show a message restore succeed. If he has never purchased it before, show message not available. After remove ads is restored successfully, you can call event complete remove ads to destroy all ads. All done. Restore is as simple as purchase product. We need to remove saved variable no ads to test it. Press play. Try to click on button restore. User not purchase it yet. Message not available will be showed. Now purchase item remove ads. Odd object is destroyed. Then click on button restore again. It recognized user has bought it before. Then restore is succeed now. We finished in-app purchase already. You can export to Android or iOS as normal to test it on your phone. Everything should work on your real phone with no problems from now. But sometimes you miss something from the publish store. You can check again file how to use. I will list all troubles I know here. You don't need these things if you follow instructions from Google Play or Apple Store to create an in-app purchase product. You will need test account to purchase our products free to test it too. After upload new version of your app, you can choose menu in-app product to create product ID. You must create product ID match with product ID you created in Unity. Just go back and copy all product ID and paste it into. Next, name and description that will show to user when they purchase. At last, we need to set price of the item. Then click Save. At first, product status is inactive. Click button Activate to activate the product. It is ready to use now. User has made no purchase, so restore will not available. Now try to purchase item remove ads. This is how it looks when somebody buy your in-app purchase items. Remove ads item was purchased successfully and ad is deleted. We currently have 200 gold, let's buy some more. Payment has made, and player received 50 gold more. This is a consumable item, then player can buy as many as he wants. Next, buy subscription starter pack. Player will be charged $3 per month, but in test account, user will be charged every 5 minutes. Now user has joined in starter pack subscription. This time, try to switch the current subscription to VIP pack. Remember that user is still in subscription, starter pack at this moment. This time he switched to VIP pack, he will be charged $5.50 only, instead of $9, because he spent 1 minute on starter pack already. You can change these renew period option in macro in-app purchase. Switching subscription has been completed. Now I delete the app, then install it again to test restore function. I purchased remove ads already last time. If I click to buy it again, they know that user purchased this item already or not. If he purchased it already, he can use restore to get what he purchased. Restore successfully. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.